Yeah, welcome to SDC Math Solutions. What is the similarity? What is the congruency? What is the difference between these two we have seen in our first video. Now introduction part continuation. What is the similarity between polygons? Any geometrical figure which has 3 or more than 3 sides is said to be a polygon. Now here once if you will observe these two figures A, B, C, D, E. In this geometrical figure total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 sides. Here P, Q, R, S, T. In this also total 5 sides are there. These two are polygons. What is the similarity? What is the similarity? What is the role of the similarity in between these two polygons? Now here we are going to see. What is the condition when two polygons are similar to each other? Now we will see clearly. Here two polygons are said to be similar to each other if their corresponding angles are equal. The length of their corresponding sides are proportional. Here A, B, C, D, E and P, Q, R, S, T, these two are the polygons. When these two polygons are similar to each other means in these two polygons all the corresponding angles must be equal. Here angle B is 120 degrees, angle Q is 120 degrees. Yeah, here angle C corresponding angle is angle R, these two are 90 degrees. Angle D corresponding angle is angle S, these two are 130 degrees. Like that all the angles in one polygon must be equal to all the angles in other polygon. Next here corresponding sides ratio must be equal. Here AB length in polygon ABCDE, length of AB equals to 4 centimeters. In the polygon PQRST, length of PQ is equals to 6 centimeters. Now here AB by PQ equals to, here AB by PQ is equals to what it is? AB by PQ is equals to AB value 4 by 6, that is equals to 2 by 3. 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6. Next BC by QR. BC, here BC value is 3 centimeters, here QR that is equals to 4.5, that is equals to what? Here if you will remove this decimal point, here 30 by 45, 15 2s, 15 3s, that is equals to 2 by 3. Next CD by RS. What is the length of CD here? CD is equals to, here length of CD is equals to 4 centimeters. Once observe carefully, length of CD is equals to 4 centimeters, length of RS is equals to 6 centimeters. So CD by RS is equals to how much? 4 by 6, that is equals to what? 2 2 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 3 ja. Next DE by ST. Here DE length, what is the length of DE here? DE is equals to 3 centimeters and ST length is 4.5 centimeters. Same, just like as BC by QR. Here DE is 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters by ST is equals to what it is? 4.5 centimeters. Here if we remove this decimal point 30 by 45, that is equals to how much? 15 2s, 15 3s, that value is also equals to 2 by 3. Next EA by TP. Here EA value, what is EA? EA equals to 3.2 centimeters and TP is equals to how much? 4.8 centimeters. Yeah, here also decimal point after one digit, here also same. Then 32 by 48 we can write. Here 32 by 10, here 48 by 10, 10 will cancel. 16 2 ja, 16 3 ja, that is equals to 2 by 3. Okay. Yeah. What is the conclusion now? Similar polygons. When two polygons are similar to each other, in both the polygons all the corresponding angles must be equal and corresponding sides are in proportion. Corresponding sides are proportion in the sense ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. Here AB by PQ, that is equals to 4 by 6, that value is 2 by 3. Here BC by QR is also equals to 2 by 3. Like that, corresponding sides ratio is always 2 by 3 only. Then what we can write here, AB by PQ equals to, AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR equals to CD by RS is equals to DE by ST is equals to EA by TB. Yeah, I hope everyone can understand this.